Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for an air duster to kind of replace sort of like the can of air as well as an inflator that's battery powered, this video is for you. So this company sent this to me. Said, Ryan, can you give it a test? Tell us what you think. No way whatsoever this being provided to me. Effect this review. I'm just here to keep it real. So this really serves as a couple different devices all in one. Here is what all comes with it. You have your handheld tool, and this really serves two purposes. It can either be used as a duster or sort of a light air compressor. It does come with a USB to USB-C. It does not come with a charging brick. It comes with 4 adapters for blowing air. And then it does come with some extra cleaning tools. It comes with one brush, a wider brush, and then sort of a fine brush. They all have little holes on them here. So from like a keychain or something standpoint, you can kind of put them all together so they don't get missed. Very easy to use once it's charged. There's 3 power modes. Long press and hold it down. Light turns on. 1, 2, and 3. The light's nice and convenient, especially when you are trying to get a close-up look at, let's just say, a dark keyboard and you're wanting to kind of see exactly the area that you're cleaning. So that was a cool kind of unexpected feature. So you're not having to, especially on like keyboards that are dark, having the extra LED illuminate the space you're trying to clean makes it very easy to see what's going on. The adapters are easy to use. They just compression squeeze in, and then you can have this on, and then you can dust and blow everything away. So this is only blowing air. It does not suck. It's only blowing air and distributing the dust out and away from where you're trying to get rid of it. Again, you have a couple different pieces right here. So if you're using this like in a vehicle or you're somewhere that has sort of tight spaces, you need to squeeze that in there and kind of blow the stuff out. It has that. But another cool thing I didn't even think about until I received this, it has this adapter for really fine areas. You're really trying to get a very strong pressure point. But then it has this extra custom adapter that is used for filling up, let's just say, a beach ball or something that needs some inflation, something that has a tip like this. You would stick this in something that needed to be inflated that has this type of nozzle. And very quickly, it's gonna inflate a beach ball, in this example, that's gonna get as big as 46 inches in diameter. So if you're looking for an air duster that also doubles as an inflator that connects to these types of nozzles, hopefully this answers any question you might have about this very cool device, and we'll talk to you soon.